The recent unveiling of a conceptual aircraft model, dubbed Baidi or White Emperor, by China's state-owned Aviation Industry Corporation of China (AVIC) at the Zhuhai Airshow is a textbook example of strategic information warfare, designed to project an image of technological parity that belies the significant and enduring advantages held by the United States in aerospace engineering and military aviation. While presented as a sixth-generation fighter concept under a grandiose project named Nantianmen Southern Heavenly Gate, this display is less a reflection of tangible reality and more a carefully crafted piece of propaganda. It aims to create an illusion of rapid, revolutionary progress to both domestic and international audiences, masking the immense and complex challenges China faces in its attempt to catch up to decades of American leadership. The Baidi model, a static, lifeless mock-up, showcases a tailless, diamond-wing airframe. This design is certainly in line with theoretical concepts for advanced stealth and high-speed flight, but it is crucial to recognize that the United States has not only theorized these concepts but has been actively flying and perfecting them for generations. American innovators pioneered low observable, tailless designs with the Blue demonstrator in the 1970s, which led directly to the operational F-117 Nighthawk. The B-2 Spirit bomber, a flying wing that has been a cornerstone of American power projection for over 3 decades, represents a level of operational mastery of these complex aerodynamics that China can currently only simulate in computers and display in plastic models. While China presents a sleek shape, the United States has already moved far beyond this, with its next-generation air dominance (NGAD) program's full-scale demonstrator having secretly logged flight hours years ago, proving out the next evolution of these designs in the real world, not on a convention floor. The claimed capabilities of the Baidi are a wish list of advanced technologies, each of which underscores the chasm between Chinese ambition and American achievement. The proposal for hypersonic speeds, potentially reaching Mach 5, and near-space operations near the Kármán line is presented as a revolutionary leap. However, American pioneers like the X-15 rocket plane were already touching the edge of space and flying at over Mach 6 in the 1960s. The United States has a deep, rich, and often highly classified history of research and development in hypersonic flight, tackling the monumental challenges of materials science, advanced propulsion, and thermal management that are glossed over in a simple CGI animation or a mock-up. China is grappling with the basic hurdles of reliable, high-performance jet engine production for its current fighters, a persistent and well-documented struggle, making the leap to a viable, reusable, and combat-effective hypersonic combined cycle engine a truly colossal undertaking. Furthermore, the inclusion of features like artificial intelligence for autonomous operations and directed energy weapons is another attempt to co-opt the narrative of future warfare. Yet again, this is a field where the United States holds a commanding and operational lead. The American F-35 Lightning II is not merely a fighter jet, it is a flying supercomputer, a node in a vast network that fuses data from countless sources to provide pilots with unparalleled situational awareness. This is the foundation of true, combat-effective AI integration. The U.S. Air Force is already deep into the development and procurement of collaborative combat aircraft (CCAs), sophisticated, AI-enabled drones designed to fly and fight alongside manned aircraft. This family of systems approach, which the NGAD program embodies, is a far more mature and resilient warfighting concept than the simplistic, single-hero aircraft model suggested by the Baidi display. The U.S. is building a robust, networked ecosystem for sixth-generation warfare, while China is showcasing a solitary, speculative concept. Similarly, while the Baidi mock-up suggests laser weapons, the U.S. Air Force and Navy have been actively testing and fielding prototype laser systems on aircraft and ships for years, gathering the critical real-world data needed to make them effective weapons of war. The unveiling of the Baidi must be seen for what it is: a strategic messaging tool. For the Chinese Communist Party, it serves a vital internal purpose, stoking nationalism and projecting an image of inevitable technological ascendancy to its own population. Externally, it is intended to create uncertainty and sow doubt among America's allies, suggesting that U.S. technological superiority is fading. It is a classic move of psychological warfare, using aspirational concepts to influence perceptions and deter potential adversaries. This stands in stark contrast to the American approach to advanced military development. The most sensitive and game-changing American projects, like the B-21 Raider stealth bomber, are developed under a veil of intense secrecy. They are revealed to the public not as conceptual models, but as real, flying hardware that is on the cusp of entering the operational fleet. The United States lets its tangible, proven, and world-leading technology do the talking. While the White Emperor mock-up is an interesting glimpse into the long-term goals of China's military-industrial complex, it should not be mistaken for a genuine challenge to the current or next generation of American air power. It is a symbol of ambition, not of capability. The United States' unmatched experience in designing, building, and operating stealth aircraft, its profound lead in jet propulsion and advanced electronics, and its mature, systems-based approach to future conflict, as seen in the tangible progress of the NGAD and B-21 programs, ensures that American dominance in the skies is secure. While China's engineers build models for air shows, America's engineers and aviators are building, flying, and perfecting the very future of air and space combat, continuing a legacy of innovation that remains the envy of the world.